So you've unboxed your iGulu and you're ready to get started with your first brew. We're going to go ahead and start with our fermentation tank. This comes included inside of the F1, and our seal clamp, which ensures the tightness of the tank at all times. Now we're going to fill this with 1 gallon of filtered water, and then grab our ingredient kit, which is on iGulu.com. This is the Amber Lager Kit. No customization needed, even though you can do so, but we keep it very simple, straight to the point. All ingredients in the tank listed right here on the back. This is the DME Amber, and these two are the hops bitter extract and the aromatic extract in Hirschberger, with our dry lager yeast, and of course the RFID sticker to ensure the machine knows exactly what it's fermenting. We're going to start with our wet ingredients by applying the hops bitter extracts directly on top of the water. Just like so. You're going to be doing this for all 3 extracts. We'll be applying our first dry ingredient on top of these, the dry lager yeast. As so. And then our final dry mixture, which is the sparkling amber DME. We're going to pour this directly on top. All of our ingredients are made in the USA. Then we're going to take our seal clamp. These are all steps you need, so no stirring involved. We're going to place this directly on top. This one could be very tight, so a dual hand clamp down, kind of squeezing that O-ring all the way in. Just like so. Perfect. And then we're grabbing our seal clamp. This goes right around the edge. Flipping it down. Perfect. Alright, now we're ready to get this into the machine and get the fermentation started. So we're going to turn it on. We get the hello and the iGulu logo. Remove our lid. And then we're going to be dropping our fermentation tank directly into the F1. Just like this. So we're starting with our feed line. The feed line goes right through the nozzle. We're going to remove our magnetic clasps. Take our nozzle and push it forward. Then we're going to feed our line all the way to the bottom. You will feel it stop. Just make sure you're pushing all the way down. Feed this line back in and connect it right to the top of the tank. Then we're going to grab our second line, which is the CO2 line, and apply this directly on top of the tank as well. Then we're going to clasp the line back down with a magnet, get our lid, and then our RFID sticker. This one's very important. This is the algorithm that's built in. We're going to give it a quick scan, and then just like that, Amber Lager pops up. We're going to click yes. And then we have a 2-stage fermentation process for 12 days and 3 days, and we're going to click brew. And just like that, we've started our brew process. Very simple, 2 steps. You click start and you're ready to go. And next thing you know, you're going to be enjoying your freshly brewed beer.